Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BNB preset on Adobe Lightroom. Now let's get started. First, open your Adobe Lightroom and add the photo that you want to edit. And after this, in here, you just click on the preset at the bottom. And then you can click on the yours. And at the yours, you can swipe until you can see BNB. And click on it, and after this in here you can see BNB effect, BNB preset that you can use. You can choose the BNB preset that you like. Okay, I'm gonna try to in here. So after this in here you can go back. Okay, and after this in here you just click on the check icon at the top and finish. So that's how to add BNB preset on Adobe Lightroom. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.